Hey everybody, my name is Diogo Machado, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a free online invitation in 1 minute. So you need to click here, you need to fill out this small form with the details about your event, for example, the name of the event, the date, when this event will happen, the hour and the location, and you can select here allow companions or not for your guests. When you click and create link, I will do my login with Google, which is super simple and fast. So let me click here, and I will create I will have from the website exclusive link. So that's all that you need. You don't need to create fields like Google Forms. You don't need that messy inside chat like WhatsApp. You only need to create your link and click here, copy this link and send directly on your WhatsApp, or you can to send directly for this link for the persons that you want to invite for your event. That is amazing. That don't uh, don't require a lot of frictions, fill it a lot of informations, and you have all the control from your events. For example, if you needed to add manually names from something that you want to invite, that you know that you not remember to RSVP, you can include, for example, Joel, and you can include manually these names here on your confirmation list, and you have more control if you needed to, for example, to invite as a named invitation. So let me show you how your common link is showing its exhibit for your guests and one named invitation. So here, for example, I will open a new screen. So let me show you here. That is the screen that your guest will see on your invitation. And all you guys need to do is to put her name here, for example, Maria, Jojo, and confirm the attendance on the event. So that's all. So Maria can remember, can add to the calendar for in your phone or on your desktop, and see where the event will happen. So that's amazing. That's all the control you gave the control for your guests, for example, to cancel the attendance, which is very good. For example, sometimes one thing changes the things, and the person needed to cancel the attendance. So this person can click and confirm this, and it will disappear from your guest list. So that is the website. It's simple. You can use free links into 20 guests, and if you needed to increase your limit, it's easy. It's and you can click here using Stripe, and you can increase the number of guests from your link, and it's super simple, it's quickly and safe. So that's all. I would like that you enjoy this small tutorial about convite online.